Show the eQart's feature called navigation. And what navigation allows you to do is that you can use the map you actually recorded. We will use the map we recorded last session called tests, and it is this one. We will set that as default, like this. This allows us to reach the navigation from our cockpit. So we see here stop to localized. And we also see set navigation. So if we press set navigation, the map we selected will come up. And we can already see down here that the eQart has detected that we're at stop 2. So that's great. So let's say we want to go to stop 8, for example. We press stop 8, and we press start. And there he goes. Station 8, and we can go into the navigation app again. So we see stop 8 localized, that is correct. Press set navigation. We see the eQart now knows that he's at stop 8. So let's select a different stop. Let's select stop 5. And we see that he plots a route to stop 5. And we can press start. But we have to be careful here because he's going to drive in this direction right now. So. As you see, the eQart has lots of different decisions, but since he knows what path to take, he has no problem navigating to the end station. If, for instance, something would come up in the eQart's path, he will stop, and he will start automatically again when the object has moved away from its path.